You are standing in front of your mirror. So what are the properties you are going to see? Image formed by the plane mirror is virtual and it is erect. I will tell you the meaning of virtual little later. Let us see erect. For example, if you are standing in front of a mirror, if you are a mirror, then you are standing like this. Okay, this is your head. Arrow mark is your head. So in the mirror also you will see you like this only. Right now, Bhavna. If Bhavna is here standing, for example, Bhavna, so Bhavna will not look like this, down. Her head is down and leg is up. Correct now? So what Bhavna will look? Bhavna will look as like it is standing like this only. Okay, we feel that we are behind the mirror. We feel that image is behind the mirror. Okay, about virtual I will come that. So is it clear? So erect image. What image? Erect. Erect matlab seedha only. Okay, another word is there that is called what? Inverted. Another opposite of erect is what? Inverted. Inverted matlab ulta. Inverted means what? Ulta. So Bhavna's image will form ulta. What? Head will be down and leg will be up will form. In the mirror, if you go for combing of your hair in front of a mirror, you will get seedha image only, upright. That is erect image. Next point. The size is equal to size of the object. Obviously, whatever is your height, same height it will look. It will look different height. You will look shorter than what you are, or you will look longer than what you are. Same height. Whatever the size, your size is there, same size it will look. Okay, same size. Next point, what? Image is laterally inverted. Image, this is very important. What is the meaning of laterally inverted? See, laterally matlab sideways. Inverted matlab inversion, changes, ulta. Sideways inversion means what, Ba? For example, you are standing in front of a mirror and this is Bhavna will raise her right hand. Hi, she will say in the mirror. If she say hi in the mirror with the using right hand, and if you see in the mirror, in the image of the mirror, it will be left hand. If you see in the mirror from your side, it look opposite. It will be your left hand. So that is what the meaning is laterally inverted. If you do right, left hand high, then it will look in the image in the mirror right hand. If you see really that, okay. Now, image distance behind the mirror. See, it looks like, for example, now Bhavna is there, she will come little front. So image also behind the mirror, what it will look, it is coming like this towards the mirror. If Bhavna is here now, and if she go back, if she moves back, so in the image also in the mirror look like it is moving back. Understood? So what is the meaning of that? What is the distance of the image? Here is the image, for example, the distance of the image from the mirror behind the mirror. Image is behind the mirror, looks like that, okay, but behind the mirror nothing is there. So image distance behind the mirror is equal to the distance of the object in front of the mirror. You are there in front of the mirror. So whatever the distance is there from here, 3 meters, same 3 meters, it feels, okay, it feels. So what is the first point? Image formed by the plane mirror is virtual. Virtual means not real. What is the meaning of not real or virtual? Virtual means it cannot be caught on a screen. You cannot capture that image on the screen. So you feel that image is from behind the mirror. But whether anything is there behind the mirror, really it is there. Really that image is there behind the mirror, anything is there. What is there? Wall is there. Behind the mirror, what is there? Wall. What image is formed on the wall? Really? No, not formed. It looks like that. It feels like that. So actually there is nothing behind the mirror. So it is called virtual. And it is erect because your head is up. In the image also your head will look up only. Okay. So first point is virtual and erect. What about second point? What about second point? Size of the image is equal to size of the object. If your height is 5 meters, then in the mirror also it will be looks like 5 meters only. Your height will not look more or less. Okay. Size of the image is equal to size of the object. Next, image is laterally inverted. Your right hand will look left hand in the image of the mirror. Your right hand will look left hand in the image of mirror. Third point, image distance behind the mirror. Where the image is formed? Image is formed behind the mirror. So behind, this is your mirror. Image will look like it is formed behind the mirror here. So whatever the distance of image is there from the behind the mirror is same will be there from the object distance in front of the mirror. These are the points. These are the points. Carefully listen. We will recap it whatever we learned till now. We started with a light. We know light is a form of energy. How can I say light is a form of energy? You have done in your childhood the activity also. You have taken one particular lens and you went outside in the sunlight and you just focus the sunlight on the paper started to burn. By this activity, we can say that light is a form of energy. Correct? You have seen even the solar heater, solar cooker. So many things. So because of light only you can say. So light is a form of energy. Okay, next. Now then we have seen about the plane mirror actually. Then before that we have seen the laws of reflection. The first law of reflection is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. What is meaning of reflection? What is the meaning of reflection? Reflection means bouncing back of light. Bouncing back of light when the light hits any opaque surface. When the light will hit any opaque surface, then that light will get bounced back. Remember that surface should be opaque, not transparent. Then we learned about first law. Incident light, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Second law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal, they all lie in the same plane. They all lie in the same plane. So meaning of same plane, hope you understood, which was a challenging for me to make you understand. Next, what is the meaning of plane mirror? The plane mirror, the word itself says that the mirror which is plane. But just simply you should not say the mirror which is plane. You should say that the mirror whose reflecting surface. What is the meaning of reflecting surface? Reflecting surface nothing but the surface from where the reflection takes place. So here the reflection is taking place. So this surface is called reflecting surface. So the surface, the mirror whose reflecting surface is plane. You can see it is plane, straight, flat. So it is called plane mirror. What is plane mirror? The mirror whose reflecting surface is flat. Next, what are the properties of images formed by the plane mirror? What are the properties of images? The first property is that the image is virtual and erect. Virtual means not real, which cannot be caught on the screen, and erect matlab seedha, straight, okay, upright. Second, the size of the image is same as the size of the object. So what is the height or what is the size of the object? Same size image will form in the mirror. Second point. Third point is laterally inverted. Laterally means sideways. Laterally means sideways inversion. So if you raise your right hand, but if you see in the mirror, it looks like that the person is raising his left hand. This is called laterally inverted. Okay, right will look left and left will look right. Fourth point, the distance of image behind the mirror. See, you know image will form behind the mirror. The distance of image behind the mirror is equal to distance of object in front of the mirror. They have given, this is your mirror. They have given the chessboard. So if you take this piece here front, so this piece also will look like coming front only. Okay. And if you take this chess piece behind, then it look like that the chess piece is also going behind. So this is what about the image distance and object distance. Is it clear, everybody? The meaning of spherical mirror. Spherical mirror means what? The mirror whose reflecting surface, here it is not flat. The mirror whose reflecting surface is spherical. It means what? Spherical means what? Whose reflecting surface will be curved. Will be what? Curved. Okay, will be curved. So that will be called spherical mirror. In spherical mirror, there are two types are there. One is called concave mirror, another is called convex mirror. Okay. So the mirror whose reflecting surface is spherical. So in that reflecting surface, so there is a curved. The mirror whose reflecting surface is curved. This is called curved. Okay, curved. So in that two types are there. Curved also two types are there. One will be called curved inward. One will be called what? Curved inward. You have seen the spoon. You know spoon? Spoon. This is your spoon. Spoon. So imagine a spoon. How in the spoon this side is curved inward. You have seen the spoon properly. This part is curved inward. So this part is this curved inward. When it is curved inward, it will be called as concave. What we will call concave. Suman, understood? When it is curved inward, that part is called concave. And if it is curved outward, like this, if it is curved outward, this is outward part. Then this, if it is curved outward like this part, then it will be called as convex. Remember. Okay. So in concave, where it is curved, the reflecting surface is curved inward. In the concave, the reflecting surface. In the concave, the reflecting surface is enough. It is curved inward. Reflecting surface is curved inward. Okay. And in the convex, the reflecting surface is what? Reflecting surface is curved outward. Reflecting surface is curved outward. So exactly how it will look if you do according to the figure. See, this is concave. So this, the figure will look. Here it will be polished. So where is the reflecting part? Which side will be reflected? This side the light will come and reflected. So this will be your reflecting surface. Okay. This is your reflecting surface. And you can see this is curved inward. Correct? This reflecting surface is curved inward. And if you see another part, this is curved outward, I will show you. Here it is polished. This is polished, means it is colored here, polished here. So this is the reflecting surface is this side. This is the reflecting surface now. Reflecting surface is curved outward. Curved outward. This takes place in convex. This is what? Convex. This is concave. Did you understood? Understood the point, everyone? So spoon, if you see, then this part is concave part. Okay. And this part will be convex part, outward part. Okay. So same way this looks like that. We can compare in practical. Understood, everybody? What I explained, understood?